Welcome to Simple English Learning.
Welcome to Simple English Learning. I'm your host, Professor Emma Clarkson, a passionate English educator with over 25 years of experience teaching students from bustling classrooms in London to online learners across the globe. From beginners grappling with their first sounds to advanced speakers refining their accents for professional success, I've helped thousands build confidence and clarity in their English pronunciation. If you're tuning into our YouTube channel because your pronunciation feels off, maybe natives ask you to repeat yourself, or you're worried about sounding unclear in job interviews, presentations, or casual chats, this episode, Fix These Pronunciation Mistakes Now Before It's Too Late, is your wake-up call. In this podcast-style video, we'll dive into 10 common pronunciation pitfalls that trip up learners worldwide, explain why they happen, and provide simple, effective fixes you can practice right away. You'll get phonetic guides, real-world examples, student stories, and quick drills, all tailored for busy YouTube viewers like you. By the end, you'll have a personalized plan to sound more natural and confident, avoiding those embarrassing moments that could hold you back. Grab a mirror, your headphones, and let's get started on this pronunciation makeover. At Simple English Learning, we believe clear speech is about being understood, not perfection. Let's jump in. Pronunciation is the foundation of effective communication. It's not just about getting the words right. It's about how those words land on the listener's ears. Mispronunciations can lead to misunderstandings, lost opportunities, or even unintentional humor, like when my student Raj from India said beach as bitch, turning a vacation story into an awkward moment. Research from the British Council shows that poor pronunciation is the top barrier for non-native speakers in professional settings, potentially costing job offers or promotions. But the good news? With focused practice, you can fix these issues before they become habits. Today, we'll cover 10 mistakes, focusing on sounds, stress, and rhythm that learners from various backgrounds often struggle with. I'll use the International Phonetic Alphabet, or IPA, for accuracy, share tips from my classroom, and include 5-minute drills. Whether you're prepping for IELTS speaking or just want to chat fluently, these fixes will transform your English. Let's start with mistake number 1. Mistake 1, confusing the voiceless f and voiced v sounds. The dilemma. These are the voiceless f sound in think and voiced v sound in this. Many learners from Spanish, French, or Asian backgrounds replace them with S, Z, or T, saying sink instead of think, or dis for this. Why it matters? It can confuse words like three and tree. Before it's too late, fix this to avoid mix-ups in directions or numbers.
Fix. Place your tongue between your teeth and blow air for th, or vibrate for th. Mirror practice. Say think, thank, three, then this, that, these. Student story. My student Mei from China practiced daily and aced her presentation. No more sink for think. 5-minute drill. Tongue twister. 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday. Record, playback, retry for clarity. Watch YouTube's Rachel's English for visuals. Mistake 2. Mispronouncing the schwa, the most common vowel in English. It's unstressed and sounds like in about or banana. Learners often stress every syllable, making speech sound robotic or accented, like about instead of about. Fix. Relax your mouth for the schwa. Don't over-articulate. Practice reducing vowels in words like photograph, as in photograph. Student story. Carlos from Mexico reduced schwas in sentences, turning his choppy rhythm into smooth flow for client calls. 5-minute drill. Say, the teacher asked a question about the lesson. Shadow a BBC Learning English clip mimicking unstressed sounds. Mistake 3. Ignoring word stress, the rhythm killer. English is stress-timed, emphasizing key syllables. Photograph, not photograph. Learners from syllable-timed languages like Spanish or Japanese stress evenly, making speech flat. Fix. Learn patterns. Nouns often stress the first syllable, record. Verbs the second, record. Use dictionaries for IPA. Student story. Priya from India stressed important correctly, boosting her IELTS speaking score. 5-minute drill. Practice contrasts. The project is a project of love. Clap on stressed syllables. Shadow English with Lucy videos for rhythm. Mistake 4. Mixing v and woo. The lip trap. V is voiced with teeth on lip, like very. Woo is rounded lips, like wet. Arabic or German speakers might swap, saying wary for very. Fix. For v, vibrate lower lip against teeth. For woo, purse lips like whistling. Student story. Ahmed from Egypt fixed this, no longer confusing vine and wine in stories. 5-minute pairs. Vine, wine. Vest, west. Vet, wet. Record minimal pairs compared to natives on Forvo. Mistake 5. Dropping or adding H, the breathless habit. Silent in hour, but pronounced in house, house. French speakers drop it, house, while others add it, hig for egg.
Exhale for H. Feel the breath. Practice aspirated sounds. Student story. Sophia from France added H in happy, sounding polished in meetings. 5-minute drill. Hot, hat, hit, hut. Exaggerate breath. Happy birthday. Shadow M English for aspiration tips. Mistake 6. Confusing L and R, the liquid mix-up. L, tongue touches roof, light. R, curled back, right. Asian learners often swap, saying light as right. Fix. For R, curled tongue without touching. For L, touch alveolar ridge. Student story. Hiroshi from Japan drilled pairs, clarifying rice versus lice in recipes. 5-minute drill. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Repeat fast. Use Elsa Speak app for feedback. Mistake 7. Over or under pronouncing silent letters. Knife, not K-N-I-F-E. Debt, not debbed. Ignoring them makes speech unnatural. Fix. Memorize common ones, like K in no, B in comb. Student story. Luca from Italy dropped silent B in doubt, impressing in debates. 5-minute drill. List. Knife. Right. Island. Hour. Say sentences. I know the knife is sharp. Shadow Pronunciation Pro on YouTube. Mistake 8. Neglecting linking and blending. Natives link words. What are you doing? Learners separate, sounding choppy. Fix. Blend consonants to vowels. Put it on. Student story. Mei blended go away, smoothing her storytelling. 5-minute drill. An apple a day. Shadow dialogues from friends. Mistake 9. Wrong intonation patterns. The melody miss. Questions rise. Statements fall. Flat intonation sounds bored. Fix. Rise for yes-no questions. Are you coming? Fall for WH questions. Where are you going? Student story. Raj rose intonation in questions, engaging listeners better. 5-minute drill. Practice. Is it raining? What time is it? Record emotions. Surprised? Excited. Mistake 10. Ignoring vowel length. Short versus long. Ship. Short. Sheep. Long. Confusing leads to shit for sheet. Fix. Tense mouth for long vowels. E. Relax for short. I. Student story. Carlos distinguished live versus leave, avoiding travel mishaps. 5-minute drill. Minimal pairs. Bit. Beat. Sit. Seat. Use Youglish for native examples. To integrate, dedicate 5 minutes per mistake daily. 50 minutes total, spread out. Use apps like Elsa Speak or Forvo for feedback. Watch YouTube channels like Rachel's English or BBC Learning English to shadow pros. Join Simple English Learning's community. Share recordings in comments for tips. Overcoming challenges. Frustration? Start with one sound. Accent anxiety? Embrace your unique voice. Clarity over perfection. No progress? Record weekly to track. Quick recap quiz. 1. Sound? Think. 2. Schwa. In about. 3. Stress in record, noun. Record. 4. V versus w. Very, wet. 5. Silent in knife. K. Comment your score. At Simple English Learning, clear pronunciation opens doors. Fix these now. Your future self will thank you. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. Share a mistake you'll fix in the comments. I'll reply. Keep speaking boldly. See you next video.